Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when your second monitor is not being detected in Windows. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, these methods should help you get that second screen working. Let's get started. First, try forcing Windows to detect the display manually. On your desktop, right-click and choose Display Settings from the menu. A window will open showing the displays currently connected to your PC. If your second monitor is not showing, click the Detect button. This will force Windows to scan for any connected displays, and if one is detected, it should show up immediately. This step works the same in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your monitor still doesn't appear, the next thing you should do is update your graphics driver. An outdated or missing driver is one of the most common reasons for display detection. Issues. To update your driver using Windows Update, open the Settings app, go to Update and Security, then choose Windows Update. Next, click on View Optional Updates. If you don't see that option, it means there are no new drivers available through Windows Update right now. And if you do see it, select it and look for any driver updates under the Driver Updates section. Find your graphics driver in the list, then click Download and Install. Once the update is installed, restart your computer and go back to Display Settings to check if the second monitor is now detected. And that's it! One of these steps should help fix the issue of your second monitor not showing up in Windows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech support guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.